Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you get your own support creator code for your Epic Games account. It's really simple and easy. Now first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After that, log into your account and you will see this main page here and you will see all the games that you own on your account. So what we want to do to get our own code is go ahead to the official website of the support or creator program. So go ahead and log in and request that we get a code for ourselves. I'm going to go ahead and open up the internet browser. Here I am using Google, and what you want to search for is write this, type support a creator program. Go ahead and search for that, and as you can see, the first result here is from epicgames.com, the official website which is the support creator program. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up this. Now this will bring us to the page right here that does support a creator pro program, where you will be able to get your own code. As you can see here, now you can see that they are currently not accepting new creators. They are not supporting new applications at this time. So at this time of the making of this video, I cannot request for my own code, but if you come back at the right time sometime in the future, when they start accepting the application again, you will be able to log in with your Epic Games account, and after that you will be able to request your own code and you can easily use that code. So after that, if they accept, then they will email you your code and you will be able to start using your code. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to get creator code Epic Games. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.